Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Goku Super Saiyan, so come join me, it's going to be super fun and easy. Alright everyone, let's get started. So I'm actually going to start with pencil first because there's a lot of little details and I just want to make sure I get everything right, and then I'm going to go over with marker. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw his head, and I'm going to start with his chin at the bottom of the paper, and it's going to be something that looks like the letter U, or like a little bowl. And then from there, I'm gonna draw his jaw. So from here, I'm gonna come out to the side and then out to the side here as well. And this kind of looks like the letter V. And then from here, I'm gonna come up. This is gonna be the side of his face. I'm gonna come up and make a slanted or like a diagonal line. And I'm gonna continue going up. And then from here, I'm gonna draw a curve that looks like a hook. So this is gonna be the top of his head, like his forehead, okay? And then from here, he also has a piece of hair in his face. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna curve this line here, and I'm gonna curve it down to a point, and I'm gonna come up like the letter V, and then I'm gonna curve this one out this way. So I'm gonna come up and curve it like this. That's gonna be a piece of his hair. And then I'll continue with his forehead. So from here, I'm gonna dip down a little bit, make that same little curve like I did with the chin. I'm gonna come up, and then I'm gonna come down. So this kind of looks like a hill or a mountain. And then I'm gonna stop somewhere like right here. That's the end of his forehead. And then from here, we could draw the other side of his face. So I'm gonna come down vertically, make a straight line. I'm gonna make a little dent like this and just come down and connect this line here. So this is the outline of his face. From there, we could draw all the details of his face. So I'm gonna start with his mouth. So right here, right above his chin, I'm gonna draw a horizontal line. And I'm not gonna go all the way to the side of his face. I'm just gonna do it right in the middle like this. And then from here, I'm gonna go up, draw on a vertical line, and I'll draw a vertical line here as well. I'm gonna make two hills. So I'm gonna curve, come down, and then curve and connect it to this. So I made two hills, and his mouth is open. So this is Goku Super Saiyan. So he's like super angry. He's getting all his power. So his mouth's gonna be open, and he's gonna like look a little angry. So I'm gonna make two little horizontal lines like this, two little dashes. And then we can continue with his nose. So I'm gonna make something that looks like the letter V right above this curve. So I'm gonna make a little V like this, and then I'm gonna draw a little hook coming up, and then a straight line. His nose, super simple. And then from there, I'm gonna draw his eyes. So right above his nose are his eyes. And almost towards the side of his face, I'm gonna leave a little space, and I'm gonna draw a horizontal line, stopping right by his hair. Then I'm gonna draw a vertical line right here. And then I'm gonna draw something that looks like a triangle. So I'm gonna draw a slanted line here to finish his eye. And I'm just gonna come here and then connect it to this part. That's one of his eyes. And because he's getting all his powers, his eyebrow's gonna look like he's frowning because he's like shaking. And then I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna draw a letter U right here. Kind of looks like a hook that I continued. And I'm gonna go up in that same diagonal. So I'm gonna go up a little wider, and then from there, I'm gonna curve down. I'm gonna make a curve that goes down, a little line right here, and then I'm gonna close it off by connecting this, just like that. So that's his eyebrow, and then we have that eye. We could draw the eyeball as well. So I'm gonna make a little bowl as well, a little oval towards the top. We have one eye. Now we can move to the next eye. And I'm gonna leave a little bit of space here between his eyes, just like we do. And then I'm gonna draw a horizontal line again. Right here, I'm just gonna curve it up, make a little hill. And then I'm gonna draw that diagonal line right here. I'm gonna go up, and I'm gonna draw, this time, instead of a straight line, I'm gonna draw a curve that connects this. Something that looks like the letter C. So that's that eye. And then we could do the same thing with the eyebrow. So right above his eye, we're gonna draw his eyebrow, and I'm gonna draw the curve like this. I'm gonna come up to the point, curve down, make this line, and then just connect that. That's his other eyebrow. And then we'll do the same thing for his eyeball. A little oval that's connected to the top. And I'll curve it like that. There we go. He looks super angry, like he's filling up with rage to fight all these villains. And then I'm gonna draw little details, little like wrinkles. I'm gonna draw 2 lines like that, and then just one right under his eye. We could do the same thing around his mouth. I'm gonna draw something that looks like the letter C here.
Nice job.
And a backward C here, and then just one right under his mouth. So there we have his face. The next thing we do is draw his ears. So his ears are gonna be a curve like our regular ears are. So I'm gonna come up and out. So I'm gonna curve, I'm gonna come up, diagonal, and then I'm gonna make a curve that connects to the side of his face. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna curve it, and I'm gonna connect it right here to his face. That's one ear. We could do the same thing on this side. So I come up to the side like a diagonal, and then I'm gonna curve his ear down to his face. I'm gonna come here, and then I'm gonna come right down. And then we could draw the ear hole. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up to the side like that. It looks like the letter V upside down, and then I'm gonna come down straight, and then I'm just gonna draw a line that connects back to the ear here, just like that. And then I'm gonna draw one line like this here, and then one little curve here, just little details to his ears. And we could do this same design on this side of the ear. So I came out like I did with the ear to the side, down straight, and then I just connected back to the ear. And then we'll draw little details as well. And here we could draw just something that looks like the letter U, a little curve like that. There we have his ears. And then from there is the fun part and the last part, his hair. His hair that's gonna turn bright and golden yellow. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make a curve to finish this bang. So I'm gonna come up, curve it like a hill, and then down to his head here. So I could just start on this side, and I'll just come up, curve it, and then I could just draw a diagonal line right here that connects this point to this point. Right, there we have his bang. And then we could add a detail like it's layered over, and I'll just draw this same curve that I did like this. I'll just draw right here. I'll curve it here to this point. I'm gonna come up and back down. And I'll just draw a little line right here as well. And there we go, there we have his little bang. And then from there we could just draw his hair is gonna come all the way up. So the hair looks like flames, or it looks like little raindrops. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna curve a line up to a point. The hair flows however it wants to flow, so it doesn't have to look perfect, and none of them have to look the same. So I curved it to a point, and then from the point, I'm gonna make a little V, and then I'm gonna just continue it like a raindrop. So I'm gonna come down, and I'm just gonna curve. It looks like a raindrop or like a fire flame. And I'm just gonna curve it, and I'm just gonna bring it right here to his hair. That's like one of his hairs. And then we could continue and just make them in all different directions. So I'm gonna continue one right next to this one. So I'm gonna curve this one up to that point, make that little triangle, and then I'm just gonna curve it to his side, to the side of his head. I'm just gonna make a curve, and it's gonna curve in to the head, just like this. There we have 2 little pieces, and then I could just make them go in all different directions. I'm gonna start one here to this side, and I'm gonna make it come out to the side of the paper. So I'm gonna draw a line that curves and dips down like this one does. One little small hill like this, and it's gonna go up to a point. And then from there, I'm just gonna draw a curve to his head as well. So I'm just gonna draw one right like that's another piece. And then I'm gonna draw a piece that goes to his ear almost. So I'm gonna draw the point. I'm gonna start at the point, curve it to the top of his ear, but I don't touch his ear. And then from here, I'm gonna make the letter V. So I have this side of the V, I just gotta make the other side of the V. And I'm gonna come up to a point, make that upside down V that we've been making, and then just connect it to the ear wherever we feel like doing it. So I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna stop maybe like right here to the ear. There we have that. And then maybe I'll just draw like another one up here. So I'm gonna start right here on this side, and I'm gonna come up, and I'm just gonna curve in and then back out this way to a point, make that upside down V, and then just connect it to this side. Wherever you wanna stop the curve, you can make it thinner, wider, bigger, smaller, taller, however you guys wanna do it.
Wow.
I'm gonna make one right here as well. So I'm gonna curve up, to a point, make that upside down V, and then just curve it to the head. However long, this one's gonna be longer. I'm gonna make it all the way down here. And then I can make another V that's to its side, like that. So it's like a V on its side. I'm gonna come up to a point, make that upside down V, and then same thing here. Like I connected this one to the ear, I'm gonna do it same way. I'm gonna make a curve that just connects to his ear. And I think I'm gonna draw like 2, 3 more up here just so it looks full. I'm gonna start here, I'm gonna curve out, make my little V that's coming to the side, and then I'm gonna just curve it down. I could stop it here, I could stop it down here. Flow with my pencil. And then I'm gonna make one that comes up to the top of the paper. I'm gonna curve to the right instead of the left this time. And then I'm just gonna come down. Make that little upside down V, and I'll just curve it and make squiggly lines however I want, just like that. And I'm gonna just draw one line that goes here just so there's no space that's like in between all the hairs. So this could be a hair that's like behind that one. And there we have it. There we have Goku Super Saiyan. I'm so excited to color it in and bring it to life, make it look super cool. He's gonna look super powerful. First, I'm gonna highlight it with the marker and then I'll color it in. So please stay tuned to see how cool he looks. All right, guys, there we have it. There we have Super Saiyan. I'm so excited. It came out so good. I don't know if you guys could tell, but like I did a darker gold on the hair just so it looks like it has more details. And I did that with his face as well. So it looks like he has like a little shadow, like right under his hair, right by his ears, by his mouth. So yeah, hopefully you guys found it easy. Hopefully you guys found it fun, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye, thank you.